SRI is a proven system for increasing rice production using fewer inputs. But changing climate patterns mean that it is difficult to practice in some rice-growing regions, especially rain-fed areas. An adapted version using SRI principles improves rice productivity in rain-fed and lower rainfall rice-growing regions. Using this direct seeding method, adapted local rice varieties can be grown organically without transplanting, yet still increase yields by 2 to 3 times. This adapted version of SRI is useful even when rainfall is only 60 to 70% of the average. Select the seed variety appropriate for local conditions at 3 to 4 kilograms of seed per acre of land. Brine solution treatment will help select the denser seeds that produce healthy seedlings. Prepare a solution of water and salt at a concentration of approximately 17%. A round potato or egg floats when the solution is at the correct concentration. Immerse the rice seed into this solution. Dense seeds will settle at the bottom, chaff and weak seeds will float. Dispose of the floating seeds and rinse the settled seeds in fresh water, ready to be sown. Sowing should take place during the first or second week after the onset of the monsoon. The soil texture should be crumbly or friable before final preparation of the field for sowing can begin. On small plots of land that have been ploughed once before, a cycle wheel hoe can be used to finally prepare the field. Plough the field twice to create a fine tilth. Level the field using a plank. Mark a line using string along the side of the field. Using the line marked with string as reference, draw a wooden marker across the field. Repeat this process to create a grid of 10-inch squares across the field. Take well-digested compost. With this compost, mark the cross-section of the lines drawn across the field. Take the selected rice along with some pulse seeds. At each point marked with the compost, sow 2 seeds of rice, half an inch apart. With the rice seeds also sow 1 pulse seed. Pulse seedlings help facilitate early weeding operations. By germinating quickly, their broad leaves clearly demarcate the grid pattern. Weeding starts after germination of the seeds. This is usually 7 to 10 days after sowing, depending on the level of rainfall. The accompanying broadleaf pulse plants allow the finer rice leaves to be easily distinguished from weeds. Moving backwards, use a hand hoe to remove weeds and turn the top 2 to 3 inches of soil. This is best done when the soil is friable. The grid pattern used during sowing makes this task much easier. As well as the hand hoe, a cycle wheel hoe allows for faster weeding. It is particularly useful from the second weeding onward as the rice plant grows. Finally, use the hand hoe to level furrows and depressions. Repeat every 10 days until the 4th weeding. This will manage the weeds and create a soil mulch.